So when we have something like this, we're asked to solve for x in the simplest form. Keep in mind that the x over here is the hypotenuse. And since this is a right-angled triangle, I'm just going to write right-angled, which means it has a 90 degree, we're going to use the c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared formula. And it doesn't really matter which one we label as a and b between the root 10 and root 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug in the a and the b. And so for a, we're going to go root 10 squared plus the b, which is going to be root 8 squared. Now remember that the squares and the roots basically cancel each other out over here. Right, so I'm going to write cancel. So what we end up with really is c squared is equal to 10 plus 8. Because when you square a root, you end up just removing the square root. And so then I got c squared is equal to 18. Well, the thing is, I don't want c squared. I want c. So the way that I can remove the square from the c is to square root. But what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. And so I'm going to go c is equal to root, 18. And then if I simplify this, I got 2 times 9, because we always want to simplify our answers as much as possible. So I'm going to go 3 and 3. Well, that'll leave me with c is equal to, remember, if I rewrite this as 2 times 3 times 3, then whatever occurs twice, I can pull it out of the root. And that would leave this remaining. And so my final answer would be 3 root 2.